Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on March 11th and 12th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Napping Day. National Napping Day, celebrated on the Monday following the start of daylight saving time, was created in 1999 by Boston University professor William Anthony, PhD, and his wife, Camille Anthony. This day aims to highlight the health benefits of napping and to help people compensate for the hour of sleep loss due to the time change. The tradition of napping dates back to ancient times, with cultures such as the Greeks, Romans, and Arabians incorporating midday rests into their daily routines for various health and religious reasons. Modern celebrations of National Napping Day include indulging in a restful nap to improve alertness, mood, and overall health. To make the most of National Napping Day, consider creating a relaxing atmosphere with a sleeping playlist or turning off your phone to minimize distractions. The recommended nap duration can vary depending on your desired outcome. A quick 20 to 30 minute nap can boost energy and focus, while a longer 60-minute nap may provide more restfulness but could lead to grogginess upon waking. Interestingly, dreaming during a short nap could indicate sleep deprivation, as REM sleep, which is when most dreaming occurs, typically doesn't begin until after about 90 minutes of sleep. Napping has several proven benefits, including reducing heart-related risks, improving short-term alertness and performance, and even being a common practice among most mammals. Despite its many advantages, napping is often seen as a luxury in today's fast-paced world, where it's challenging to find time for rest. National Napping Day serves as a reminder of the importance of taking a moment to relax and recharge, even if it's just for a few minutes. National Promposal Day. National Promposal Day, celebrated on March 11th each year, marks an exciting occasion for high school students across the United States. Established by Men's Wearhouse in 2016, this day is dedicated to the creative and often elaborate gestures known as promposals, where students invite their potential dates to the prom in unique and memorable ways. This tradition not only adds a fun and romantic element to the high school prom experience but also allows students to express their creativity and personal style. From grand public gestures to intimate and heartfelt proposals, National Promposal Day celebrates the spirit of youth and the joy of making special moments unforgettable. The phenomenon of promposals has become a cultural staple among American high schools, fostering a sense of community and excitement as students look forward to their prom night. Social media plays a significant role in this modern tradition, with students sharing their promposal stories and videos online, some of which go viral, capturing the hearts of people worldwide. The day encourages students to go above and beyond in expressing their feelings, leading to some truly ingenious and heartwarming promposals. Whether it's through a flash mob, a customized puzzle, or a simple but meaningful gesture, National Promposal Day underscores the importance of making cherished high school memories that students will look back on fondly for years to come. National Dream Day. National Dream Day is celebrated on March 11th, established to inspire both the young and old to believe in and pursue their dreams. This special day draws inspiration from Robert Mueller, known as the Millennium Man, and honors his birthday annually. Mueller, a former Assistant Secretary General of the United Nations, was known for his profound ideas on world peace and governance, advocating for a world where everyone can dare to dream and work towards creating a more loving and peaceful society. His life's journey, marked by his experiences during World War II and his significant contributions to the United Nations, underscores the importance of holding on to one's dreams, regardless of the challenges faced. Celebrating National Dream Day can involve various activities like visiting the Bench of Dreams if you're in Costa Rica, where Mueller spent his later years contributing to the UN's University for Peace. For those who can't make the trip, creating a personal bench of dreams in your community or simply taking time to write down your dreams and aspirations can be equally impactful. The day serves as a reminder that dreams, no matter how big or small, are valid and achievable with perseverance and dedication. National Girl Scout Day. National Girl Scout Day, celebrated on March 12th, honors the establishment of the first Girl Scout meeting organized by Juliette Daisy Gordon Low in 1912 in Savannah, Georgia. This day is a part of Girl Scout Week and serves as a time to celebrate the courage, confidence, and character that the organization instills in young girls, helping them to make the world a better place. The Girl Scouts participate in various activities, including community service and learning practical skills, all while working towards earning badges that symbolize their achievements and growth. Celebrating National Girl Scout Day can involve purchasing Girl Scout cookies, which is a fun way to support local troops since the proceeds go directly towards funding community projects and educational programs for the girls. Another meaningful way to celebrate is by sharing knowledge or skills with a Girl Scout you know, or even volunteering with a local troop to help teach girls valuable life skills. Additionally, organizing or participating in fundraising campaigns to support Girl Scout initiatives is a great way to contribute to the empowerment of young girls on this special day. National Baked Scallops Day. National Baked Scallops Day is celebrated on March 12 each year, highlighting the delicious and versatile seafood that is enjoyed in various cuisines around the world. This day is an excellent opportunity for seafood lovers to indulge in the rich, buttery flavor of baked scallops, which are known for their golden, crispy exterior and tender interior. Scallops have been a part of the American diet since the 19th century, gaining appreciation over time for their sweet taste and easy-to-cook nature. By the 1930s, scallops had become a staple in coastal communities and a favorite in French restaurants, leading to innovative recipes like the coquille Saint-Jacques. Celebrating National Baked Scallops Day can involve preparing your favorite scallop dish at home, exploring new recipes, or visiting your local seafood market to select fresh scallops for baking. It's also a great excuse to gather friends and family for a meal, focusing on the moment and the enjoyment of good food. Whether you prefer your scallops with simple seasonings or more complex flavors, there's a baked scallop recipe out there to suit your taste. For more details on how to celebrate and the history of scallops in American cuisine, you can explore the origins and evolution of scallop dishes through various sources like National Today and Days of the Year. National Working Moms Day. National Working Moms Day, observed on March 12, is a day dedicated to recognizing the multifaceted roles and contributions of working mothers. This day celebrates the efforts of mothers who balance their professional responsibilities with their roles at home, highlighting their importance as role models and pillars in both their families and communities. The inception of this day traces back to the Working Moms of Milwaukee organization, which aimed to provide a supportive community for working mothers. It has since gained official recognition and expanded nationwide, offering a platform to appreciate and support the diverse experiences of working mothers across the country. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.